Korean people say, Korean men pickup line edition. 아이스크림 사줄까? 내가 아이스크림 사줄게. I'm pretty sure narinig nyo na yung linyahan na ramen 먹고 갈래? Which is like the Korean version ng Netflix and chill. Korean people don't really use that often. Pero yung ice cream, gamit na gamit, te. Usually, ang setting kasi nito is you guys are already drinking outside with other friends. And when the guy says to you, ice cream 먹으러 갈래? It's just an excuse. Or in fact, kahit hindi ice cream, pero yung pinakasikat nga is ice cream and also sukchieso, which is the hangover drink. Ang goal lang nito is to get out of the group setting, get alone time together by going to the convenience store. Tara sa convenience store para bumili ng ice cream, tayo lang dalawa. If bet mo yung tao, gora! May chance na hindi na kayo bumalik sa friends mo, pero if that's what you want, go get it, girl! I don't know. Kung ano trip mo? Pag hindi nyo bet, huwag kayo sumama. Or literal bumili lang kayo ng ice cream. Choose the most expensive ones and bring back to your friends. I love. Bye!